when can I, as a business owner, be my own top finance guy? The answer is this. You can do it when most of your transactions, sales, and purchases are simple for you to understand and to measure them using only your cash flow. Here is my very straightforward rule for you. Let's look at this simple diagram. It suggests two variables, volume of transactions and complexity of transactions. What I mean by the complexity, I'll tell you a bit later. So the rule is this. If complexity of transactions is low, it doesn't matter how big is the volume of your transactions, either in sales or in purchases, you easily know if you are profitable and hence what amount of dividends to draw. But if number of complex transactions increases, the easy way to understand how good you run your business will not be enough. So cash flow basis will not be enough. In case when transactions volume is low, but they are complex, just be prepared soon to shake hands with the top finance guy. Let's now see how simple transaction different from complex ones. Well, the transaction is simple if, for example, a business works in a way when sales proceeds received in cash happen in the same month when you deliver goods or services to a customer. Or let's take an expense side. The expense transaction is simple if cash you paid happens in the same month as your company actually consumes what you paid your cash for. Correspondingly, complex transactions mean that cash side and recognition side are in different reporting periods. You might say, what's so weird about it? Well, I showed here only sale and purchase of services and didn't mention inventories. Having all that bunch of transaction sides happening in different periods means that business has to carefully deal with correct measuring of profit earned, correct tracking of receivables, payables, inventories, and all other kinds of assets and liabilities. So from now on, apart from cash flow, you have to calculate profit and loss and balance sheet. And remember, you have to do it not only periodically, once a month or once a quarter. You have to track different parts of them on a real-time basis. Remember, cars torpedo devices, the dashboards, because otherwise you will end up with picturing for yourself results that happened quite a long time ago, having little option to avoid wrong decisions. So, having said all above, now I've come to an advice how you could be a top finance guy for your business and manage your finance when your transactions are simple, as I said. For that, you just should do a simple accounting of cash transactions, pointing the needed analytics. For example, categories such as projects, employees, customers, etc. Now let's look at what you will get from it. First, the overall cash flow statement where you see where money comes from and where they flow to. Second, you can understand how much your business made in profit and build plans as to your dividends. Nice, huh? Third, if you have several projects or even business segments, you can see how well they perform individually. Which one is better? And which one is to be improved or even closed. 4, if you have managers selling your goods or services, you can measure how much they contributed to revenue, so you'll know better how to calculate their bonuses. And 5, you'll just know how your actual cash balance is now, real time. You know that one of simple traditional instruments is QuickBooks or similar products. You can well build your accounting so you can see all above. However, I would also recommend trying to use Google Sheets. Our clients, for example, like instruments, we made them based on Google Sheets. So what you need here, decide on a platform and who will be doing bookkeeping for you, and you're well done.